Hello children, today we going to study about laws of refraction. Previous lesson we studies what is refraction, and this lesson laws of refraction. You know there are two laws of refraction. First one we'll see first law. What is first law? Hmm, Here first law. The incident ray, the refracted ray and the normal to the surface drawn at the point of incident lie on the same plane. Here, uh, incident ray, refracted ray, and normal. These three lines in this surface in one point. Uh, that is the first law of the refraction, right? Uh, uh, right here, you know, here to medium, I did not tell that. Here air media and here water media. This is the surface of the these two media, right? That is the first law. Then second law. Here the second law. Here the second law. When light refracts from one medium to another medium, the ratio of the sine of the incident angle to the sine of the refracted angle is constant. Right here, light ray enter one medium to another medium. Here, this medium to this medium. Right? Um, Here, uh, in this. Right. Then, you know this angle. What is this angle? Angle of incident. This I angle is angle of incident. R is angle of refraction. Right? The sign of angles are right? That we call index of refraction. Constant of with to the first mean, right? This is index of refraction of refractive index. This law also called Snell's law, right? What is the symbol of this? This is symbol index of refraction symbol is N, right? Here index of refraction, sine of the incident angle divided by sine of the refracted angle, right? it is can also write sine I divided by sine R. You know sine uh, angles, some value in used in mathematics. That right here the first law and second law. Right here, one light ray uh, uh, from the water and enter to air medium, right? Here, I didn't put the arrowhead here. The arrowhead is here to medial light rays going through the water media from air media. Then N. N. What is simple N? Simple N is the uh, index of the refraction. That is the symbol. In here, the light ray that travels from air to glass. Air to glass. Uh, how we symbolize that? We can written N is here, N, and air to glass. Air is in this left side and glass is in right side. What is air to glass, right? It can written as this the symbol. Uh, Light ray travels from air medium to glass medium, right? Uh, here the uh, here the equation for second law you want to remember that, and it also called Snell's law, right? Then here rays that enter from glass to air. Glass to air, we can written it. Glass is in left side and air is in right side. First, from glass to air. That is that can write in this way. Here I called here according to the Snell's law constant that sign values are constant. Here always that is constant to medium. Here refractive index of water relative to the air. Then air to water. That is index number is 1.55. 1.33. This one is air to water. The refractive index number is constant. That value is 1.33. Then other one, refractive index of glass relative to the air. In here, air to glass. Air to the light ray travels from air to glass. This symbol represent that, and that constant value, what we call that refractive index is 1.5, right? Then this is depend on both media. In here, the refractive index defined above is the refractive index of one medium relative to the another medium, right? Then that relative index is depend on both media. In here, like sunlight, sunlight comes from a vacuum medium and enter the air medium. Like that, if we use a vacuum instead of the first medium, right? If we consider a light ray entering from vacuum to some medium, right, then the relative index depends only one medium. It is not relative to the vacuum. It's only depend on the air media, like sun rays, or other one we can that light ray can enter from a water media. This is normally referred to as the refractive index of that medium, right? Then here, example, refractive index of water is the ratio of the sine of the incident angle to the sine of the refracted angle when a light rays travels from a vacuum to water. Because the velocity of light is in air to only slightly different from that in the vacuum. Then because it is difficult to make measurement index, refractive index relative to a vacuum. Then relative index of a medium relative to air is used as the relative index of that medium. Relative index of that medium, right? There are no units for the index of refraction. That is no units. Why? It is refractive relative to the other media, right? That is the two laws of refraction. Here the first law and second law, it is also called Snell's law. according to the Snell's law, index of refraction, and it also called refractive index. It is depend on two medium. The constant value, that is constant value of that two medium. Right. In next video, we'll see what is total internal refraction of refraction and the critical angle. Right. Thank you.